Hi guys, welcome to Young's Cartoon Breaks. Today we're opening up the Pokemon Center Paldean Fates Elite Trainer box. Let's see, how are we going to open this today? Alright, okay.
The knife comes in.
Yep. I totally just ripped it myself right now. And it's
Teamwork,
look,
get
the
that
Mimikyu
off.
is shiny.
What's on there?
The Mimikyu on this is shiny.
Oh.
Ooh. So for Pokemon we can get. Ooh.
What are you seeing so far, Johan?
So there's these new kind of the poison and fire. If you could show us what the old coins of the fire and poison look like. But oh yeah. So here's the new fire. I meant the burnt coin and poison coin. Could you show us what the old ones look like? Never mind. Okay. And so there we got these dice. Okay. We have this book with the cards that we can get. Yep. So, whoops.
What do we got there?
I don't know. Save
You want to save those? Okay. Save them, Amalia.
We have these sleeves.
Got the divider on top of it.
Ooh.
Let's see the sleeves. Johan, let's see the sleeves.
They
Oh,
have
we're
the
giving out
shiny
code cards,
Mimikyu.
eh?
They have the shiny
Johan.
Mimikyu on it.
And then they
It
also
has
got
the shiny Mimikyu on it.
And they also got
Stop,
this.
stop.
Eliana, can you take a look at those sleeves? What do you think of the Mimikyu that's on it?
There are all of these energies.
Okay. Next.
Every
yeah,
energy.
sleeve and seal.
Got 3 of these. We got these dividers. Got one. Then we got one over here. Then we got some packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. So let's divide these equally. 1, 2.
1 for you, 2 for me. 2 for you, 1 for me.
So there's one out.
Maybe I get that extra pack. Here, I'll take the extra pack.
There's 2 extras then.
Okay, I'll take the 2
Wait, I'm
extras.
free.
All right,
I would like to switch this out.
you all trading with your art? I get 2 packs. All right.
You can. How about you open the last 2?
Pika.
What are the arts that are on the packs?
This is.
I got 2.
This
I
is
Johan.
Ager Slash. I do not know this Pokemon's name. And Pikachu. Pika.
And I got Pikachu. And I got 2 of Pikachu. But it makes a pattern.
Okay. So let's just take these back and open our packs. I'm gonna open Pikachu first.
Me too. I just got 2 Pikachu and I'm saving this one for that.
So I wonder what's gonna be in these. Hopefully we get some hits.
Pretty much every release trading box at least has 1 hit.
So
Remember, code cards down.
let's just take this out. I got a. Can we just go all the way through them?
Yeah, just go through. I would just put them down if you don't know them. Talk about the hits.
So, okay. Wait, that's mouse hold. And I know this is the electric gym leader. Ooh, a dragon. This is a dragon reverse hollow. Nedin and
Dedenne.
Charizard the Dark Terra form.
Whoa.
This is awesome. We have to save this right away. Like, that is insane.
Wow, Charizard EX.
Which is
awesome.
Which is the Dark Terra form.
Uh-huh.
That's what the Obsidian Flames card is based off of. Yep, and I got a electric energy. Yeah.
So here I go.
Now we're gonna put like the pack on top, right, Daddy? We put the pack then there, right, Daddy? Oh yeah, we got it. What is this stuff?
So, can I share?
So you go.
Well, I did something.
That's fine. No. We put them all on top. A magma. Flame clone.
This is neat.
Okay. A rare candy. Woo! Nice. That's pretty cool.
And
The electric energy. Second code card. Yep. Wait,
Do we need more
where's
sleeves?
your pack? Where's the pack? We should put. I'm just doing this because you weren't here to do this.
There you go.
Scraggy.
Oh, we don't need the packs on top. Let's put the other ones out to the side. Here, hand me everything you've already done. We'll just go one pack at a time. What are you trying to get?
I'm just trying to open my pen.
And here's mine.
All right.
So we're gonna go Scraggy. Mine Junior. Gimme Goal. Oh, Scraggy. And just like on the front of the elite trainer box, a Mimikyu and an electric energy. Every energy so far has been electric energy. Okay.
All right, whose pack is up next?
So
Back
I'm
to you,
doing
Johan?
This one. Yep.
Me too.
That's fine.
I did this plan last time we did it.
Yeah, I'll get you. I'll get you in a second here.
Okay, I got Ghastly. This card just like last time. This one,
Keep it to yourself, Aliana. Just wait.
No way!
We need another sleeve.
Yes.
Show us what you got. Keep it towards you. Whoa.
A Gardevoir EX. And it's holding a Shadow Ball. That. See, literally so far, every pack I've opened had a hit. If the last one has a hit, that's insane. That's insane. I pretty much won already.
But would you see my? Would you see my? I was so many subscribers.
That's an awesome hit.
Girls.
That's okay. They can look ahead.
Yeah, they.
I mean, we're gonna go through them. It just ruins the surprise.
And then And then a fighting energy.
All right. So far, the big hits. Johan, pull your cards back. So far, the big hits we've got
And they're both from me.
Charizard EX and the Gardevoir EX. This Pokemon Center Elite Trainer Box Paldean Fates is absolutely loaded.
Like, those are both in my packs. I must have just chose lucky. If there's another hit in this pack, I don't know what.
Got hot hands tonight.
No, I don't. I have 4 hands.
All right, who's next?
Here. A Varoom, Winky, Magmar, Charizard, Charmeleon, Winklow, another one,
A Pikachu. Pikachu.
Ooh, Pikachu.
Ooh, this is what is on the front of some of the packs.
Whoa. Oh, that's a hit.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a good hit.
So you hit that on Whatnot, right?
Shiny.
Didn't you get this card on Whatnot when you were opening it last time?
Here, let me see it. Don't fight over it. Gentle with the edges. We got to be really careful with every one of these.
200 damage.
Yeah, this one's a really nice one. We'll get that in the sleeve right away here. Yeah, keeping that thing mint. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Paldean Clodsire EX. That one's really awesome.
And it is a
Here.
Oh yeah, got some. Get that into a top loader.
Put it on.
What do you got, Amalia? Just keep going. Let's keep rolling through them.
Left. And of course, this is oh
You got something OP?
yeah.
Suppose.
All right.
So many, like almost.
Amalia, just.
Before
What do you got, Oriana? Oh, that Pikachu was a reverse holo.
Pinecone. That's my pack. Ooh, Gengar.
That's it. That's it.
Gengar.
Oh, a Gengar. Nice.
Nightshade, 100 damage. Just keep going.
And look at this thing for that one. Look at this thing for that one.
It is.
Yep, I'll sleeve them as we go here.
That is one isn't even a reverse holo or a holo. Flaky, a Lapras, and a Magmaral.
Oh, that's a nice mineral.
And electric energy.
So it has, I have some
No.
Some
not
that are
really.
overpowered. You have some overpowered hits there?
Supposedly.
Supposedly overpowered. All right, OP. We'll see.
Now we get to open our
Last set for everyone, right? I'll get them sleeved. Don't worry. All the hits will get sleeved.
what order supposedly gets.
Anything that's a hollow, reverse hollow, or better will at least go in a penny sleeve,
Here.
and then the real hits will go into the top loaders. They'll go in the hard
I was
case.
trying to open this one.
You do.
I was trying to open this one.
I got.
Be gentle with it. No, if you,
I
yeah,
tried to.
yeah. It's better to let me open it. It's okay. What do you got, Johan?
A Lapras, a Scraggy, next ball, Charmeleon, natural. And how did this actually happen?
What'd you do? Pull another EX?
Not a hit. Well, a full art.
Oh, that's nice.
I got hit every time. A hit every time.
Let's see that.
I got more.
I got a hit. No, those are not considered real hits. They are
Oh, a
hits that go
Palmy,
in these
Palmy
pieces.
full art. Oh, that's nice. Palmy full art.
I don't know. I just switched those cards out because of what's in the front. And because of that, each time I got a hit in every single pack.
Yeah, that's neat. Palmy full art.
I got an Executor and Fighting Energy. Okay.
All right, Amalia.
Card out. Executor.
Ooh, that's nice.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, Amoy got another hit. A shiny Pokemon. I have this Pokemon, but not shiny.
Let me see it.
I think that looks a lot like that.
They're not the same Pokemon.
Donzo. Yeah, it's shiny.
Then I got
We'll sleeve that. It's definitely heavier.
this.
That's Gimme Gold. This is Gimme Gold Raichu.
And
And energy. Here you go. There you go. Don't peek ahead. Charmander. Charmander, go. Look. Rare candy.
Johan. Because otherwise your face is off. Oh, this Raichu hollow is nice.
We got an Oncolone. Aww. A cutie, probably to the board. Oh, stop. We got a hit.
What's that?
Pull up.
A trainer card. Judge.
Oh, Judge.
And a full up.
Judge Full Art
So
Hollow.
it's a judge that judges Pokemon battles. So it
Yeah.
declares the winner. Well, it declares if your Pokemon has fainted.
Good hit, Aliana.
Hey, we all at least got a one hit.
Aliana has one card left.
Hey, where's my hit up here? My one full heart.
You have 2 EX hits. Those are better than Full Art. At least that Full Art. Alright. Is that all of them?
This is my last one.
Oh,
And
except the
second.
2 that I have?
Who leads Delta knows?
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
I get to see what I get.
If you can beat us, that would be pretty good. Cool.
Yeah, so last 2 packs coming off screen from off this camera here onto this play space. Johan, can you clear the
You
space?
should- no,
Johan,
show-
clear the play mat.
Show them what's on the front of the pack.
Show them what's on the front.
There is this Pokemon that Amoy pulled.
Oh, the Clodsire EX, yeah.
This is Charizard.
Let's see the first one.
I know. We'll wrap up here. Whoa, I'm all
That's not a Quadsire.
Keep yourself close.
That's not a Quadsire on the front. It's the Don.
Oh, the Don. Oh, that one. All right.
Keep that up there.
All right. So,
Yeah, it's that one.
what do we have here? Take us through them, Johan. I'll just have you go through them for me because your hands are. It's okay. He's closer. They'll see better.
Gimme Gold. This one. Ultra Ball. Primate. I've got the Grappler. Mimikyu. Heat, Rotom, and Dark Energy.
I want to do it.
All right.
Here's some of mine.
And then the last pack was a different.
All right. Last pack.
Was
That's okay.
this pack.
There's some shine. I see some shiny edges in that pack. So,
Oh,
Oh, don't.
Look,
yeah.
a pair. That makes a pair. This and that.
Let's wait.
So
All right.
there's a Whopper, which evolves into Quadsire.
Oh, that's important. We can actually evolve it now.
We got a Weevil. Okay. This one.
And then I have that.
Swoobat, Gengar.
Did I get a hit?
Yep.
What is it?
Shiny.
Oh, a shiny Poniard.
There's this
Oh.
one and this one, and a
shiny Poniard. Very nice. Johan, to take us through the case, how many inserts are there? There's still 2 of the inserts that we haven't showed yet. Johan, the card that's down, Pokemon card face down under the, yeah, you have 2. What are the inserts that come in here?
So there is a Mimikyu, a 4 Mimikyu, and a 4 Mimikyu.
Are they identical?
Yep.
There's no difference. Wait, Johan, turn them the other way.
Wait,
They're
actually-
upside down for everyone. Turn them
wait,
the other way.
Actually, there is one. This one has the Pokemon symbol on it. Pokemon.
Oh, the
Creator.
Pokemon Center?
No, Pokemon Creator.
Oh, so let's wait. Let's see that difference. What is it? Well, no, keep it right there, just right there. So point out the difference.
See?
Oh, it has the Pokemon Center symbol. So there's one. Aliana, please don't spin
And
the chair.
the other one doesn't. So if you get the Pokemon Center one, you get 2 of them.
Oh, you get a special Mimikyu card that is only the Pokemon Center version.
This my stuff.
But they're pretty much identical.
Otherwise, yeah.
Wait.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, yeah.
And then we got these.
Okay,
And
so
the other stuff.
let's summarize here. We'll pull these hits out. We'll get those sleeved up.
Who do you think won?
Well, this is close because we've got 2 hits
I got
here from Johan.
Technically free.
Yeah, you had another nice one.
I
We've
had
got
more.
a nice
2 for
trainer
me.
from Aliana. Whoop. And then we've got this Clodsire. I mean, either way, we basically have the 3 EXs in the middle, which were all really awesome.
Hey, put my.
Now let's just focus on the 3 EXs. Those were the 3 hits that we really got out of this.
So Amoya really got 1 hit, and I got really 2 hits.
The EXs are the big hits that we're chasing in these. That Charizard is awesome.
And especially that it's a Dark Terror type. It's a Terastallize. If you don't know what Terastallize does, so you know how Charmander's a fire type? Well, if it, say you Terastallize your Pokemon and it be, say you have Charizard and you Terastallize it into a Dark type, then the Charizard becomes a Dark type Pokemon instead of a fire type. So say you're fighting against a water type and you don't want to switch your Pokemon because you have a effective attack against it for some reason. So you can Terra, so it might not one-hit you.
That's awesome. All right.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching on Legos Cards Race. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.